One of my favorite brunches: sausages, potatoes, lemons. It's Pugliese with a Greek influence. Sausages. You need some potatoes, like these. Yukon Golds work really well. A really nice lemon, oregano, sea salt, an onion, of course, bay leaves, rosemary, some fennel, and some red chili flakes because I like it spicy, some water, olive oil, black pepper, some Prosecco. Ruggeri. Hey, that's Ruger's name in Italian. Hey, you have your own Prosecco? And yes, there will be an extra sausage for Ruger. First, let's start with some of Ruger's Prosecco. I didn't know you made your own Prosecco. Is this your Prosecco? Yeah, we'll start by cutting our potatoes. You want a good firm potato like these Yukons. Just give them a rough chop, all about the same size. Then our onion. This is like the fastest way to cut an onion without getting a lot of tears, although the wind out here is blowing pretty nicely, so I don't think I'm going to get much. Holy smokes, I forgot the garlic. I got to go in the house and get some garlic. That was a close one. So, got some garlic. You want about 3 cloves. Just give them a smash. Oh, that one had a sneaky one in there. I just like to cut these little hard pieces off so that way you don't get them in your food. Just give them a rough chop. I'm going to grate some lemon zest from this beautiful lemon. Whoa, look at that. I don't see any seeds. Okay, let's do our sausages. So the sausages, I like to make them a little smaller, more like chipolatas. So squeeze them like this. Give them a little twist. There'll be plenty of skin on there. And you want a little sausage that is, these are all meat. These are pork sausages. There's no filler in these. There's a little bit of spices in there. Like a small Italian pork sausage. You can use larger Italian sausages, but I highly suggest that you do not use regular breakfast sausages because they have that really strong breakfast sausage flavor. Then you just give them a little cut in the seam. Okay, I'm going to take my rosemary here. Just give it a rough little chop. Chili flakes and the fennel seeds. I'm going to give those a little grind. Want abundant olive oil. Put our onions in. Put the sausages in. I'm just looking to get just a little bit of color on these. And then we're going to pull them out. So we can pull these out now. Now we're going to put our potatoes in. Just mix them all up with the onions. Get them really covered well with the olive oil. Oregano, rosemary, sea salt, chili flakes, and fennel. Bunch of black pepper. A couple of bay leaves. The garlic. Lemon zest. And some of Ruger's Prosecco. Want about a half a cup. Am I going to pull some sausages out for you? Num num. Once your alcohol cooks off, pour in some water, about a half a cup. Mix it around a little bit, and then put your lid on for about 15 minutes. Whoa, look who's here. It's Kaya. Kaya, do you want a sausage? You're going to want a sausage, huh? Well, I'm going to take a couple of sausages out for Ruger and Kaya. Let's pour the sausages and all of their oil and juice in. And now at this time, we're going to do the lemon juice. Let's put the lid back on. About another 10 minutes or so. Are you waiting for your sausage? I'm going to start this one to cook Ruggers and Kayas. Whoa, did you see that? I almost lost them. Full glass of ice. That's right, it's Aperol Spritz. Nothing like an Aperol Spritz. So pour your Aperol just about the crest there. Oh, wait a minute, that's too much. Wait, still too much. Dang, that's good on its own. I don't know why we make a Spritz out of it. Because a Spritz is good too. Prosecco, almost to the very top. Pour very lightly so you don't disturb the Aperol at the bottom. See the differences in the color? A little bit of San Pellegrino. Good Lord, who put this thing on? Then go ahead and fill it up the rest of the way. What a thing of beauty. So it's been almost about 10 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, that looks amazing. Let's check the softness of the potatoes. Yeah, they're just about there. They're going to need a few more minutes. The sauce is getting a little thick. I'm going to add a little more water, about a quarter cup. A nice stir. Put the lid back on for probably another 4 to 5 minutes. Oh, let's check this. Whoa. Look at this. Oh, that looks amazing. Yep, that is done. So I am going to put the lid on, take it off the flame, and let it chill out for about 5 minutes. Kaya gets her sausage first. Kaya. She's the oldest. Do you want a sausage? You want a sausage? Oh, I don't have any more sausages. Now it's time to see. Look at that. You guys have no idea how amazing this smells. Finish it off with a little bit of olive oil to give it a little more sheen and some black pepper. And no, it doesn't need Parmesan or anything else. Okay, so what's it taste like? Those sausages are so good. Potatoes are soft, but they're still firm. Didn't make mashed potatoes. The lemon and the pepper and the red pepper. Oh, oh, you guys have to make this. This is absolutely amazing. I know, don't talk with your mouth full, right? Oh, I know what you guys are going to say. Where's the orange slice? Ruggeri! Oh, I want more sausages.